Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily set up your expense settings in QuickBooks. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go top right to the settings and then go to account and settings. When you're going to be here, what you want to do is go to expenses, and when you're going to be here, the first thing you're going to see are bills and expenses. So let's click on it, and now you're going to see show items table on expense and purchase forms, show tax field on expense and purchase forms, and you can enable those or disable, it's really up to you. Then you're gonna see track expense and items by customer. Again, you can enable it or disable it, and make expense and items billable. This is really important if you're gonna have projects. Then you're gonna see markup with the default rate, or track billable expenses and items as income. And you can have it in multiple accounts or single account, and then you can also charge sales tax. So this is how we do it. Now you can also see default bill payments terms, due on receipt, net 10, net 15, net 30, net 60. Then you're gonna see purchase orders here, and you can use them or you can disable them. And this is like the template for email message that you're going to send with a purchase order, and you can edit it as much as you want. So this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide some guidance. And yeah.